Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer survey results from Typeform to BigQuery. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer survey results from Typeform to BigQuery, you will need access to both platforms. Start by logging into your Typeform account. Navigate to the survey for which you want to transfer results. Click on the Results tab to access the responses. From the Results page, look for the Export option. Choose the format you want to use, such as CSV. Download the file to your local computer. Next, log into your Google Cloud Console. Select your project where BigQuery is set up. Once in your project, navigate to BigQuery from the left sidebar. In BigQuery, locate the dataset where you want to import the Typeform data. If you do not have a dataset yet, create one by clicking on Create Dataset. Choose a name for your dataset and set a few configurations. Once your dataset is ready, click on it to enter. You will see an option to create a new table. Click on Create Table. In the Create Table section, select Upload as your source. Click on the Browse button to find and select the CSV file you downloaded. Make sure the file format is set to CSV. In the Destination Table field, specify the name of your new table. Adjust the settings for schema as required, or let BigQuery auto-detect the schema. After confirming the settings, click on the Create Table button. The transfer process will begin, and you will see a progress bar. Once the upload is complete, check for any errors or warnings. If everything is in order, your Typeform survey results are now in BigQuery. You can start running queries to analyze your data. That's how you transfer survey results from Typeform to BigQuery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.